guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Carol and the name of my channel is My Blessed Nest. Today I'm super excited to be participating in a fall home tour collab with Robin Johnson. There's going to be a lot of my friends that's going to record videos for you too of their fall home tour. So make sure to check out the playlist, which will be listed in my description box, as well as Robin Johnson's channel. Thanks, Robin, for hosting. I'm super excited to be participating. I would say fall is probably my most favorite time of year to decorate, other than Christmas. And they're pretty equal. I love to decorate for both. So would you like to see how I decorated my home for fall? Then let's get started. Today we're starting the home tour in my dining room with my favorite piece of furniture in this room, and that's my hutch. I did something a little different this time when I was decorating. I chose a predominant color for each section. This decision made it a whole lot easier to decorate. I think I'll try this again. I really liked how it came out. I am so happy with my new fall tablecloth. I just got it out of the package today, and I had found it on clearance at Bed Bath & Beyond for $2.50, and then I had a 20% off coupon, and it's a really nice quality tablecloth. Let's take a look at my fall tiered tray. Right here in front is my absolute favorite thing this year. I found these little cupcake picks and I found clever ways to use them. Let me know what your favorite thing is. My grandson and I went garage sailing and he picked out this bowl, and it's from Hawaii and it was only 50 cents. I'm so glad that he picked that out. think this basket is really unique. It was my mom's, and this is the first time I've ever decided to use it to decorate with, and I'm really glad I did. I found 3 of these little pumpkins. I think they're made out of corn husks, and I just adore them. You'll see them in my haul tomorrow. I am in love with the colors on this wool blanket that I thrifted. I love the fringe. I love everything about it, except it's itchy. So I just use it for decor. This bookcase that I'm showing you next used to be a buffet drawer, and I flipped it in a video for It's Flippin' Friday a while back, so I'll be sure to link that for you in case you missed it. If you're new to my channel and you haven't guessed yet, I love old pickup trucks in any color. I do have a lot of red ones, but I'm getting into the different colored ones now too. I have recently been drawn to Afghans while I am thrifting, and I found this one actually at a garage sale for $2, and I am loving it. It's so comfortable and makes my house look so comfy cozy. This little pumpkin takes me back to my childhood. I found this one at the bins, and I think I paid maybe $1/4 for it. Mine was bigger, and I used to use it to go trick-or-treating. I absolutely love making vignettes on my coffee table. This lantern was a special gift from my Aunt Sherry and Uncle Dave, and I love showcasing it here for fall. The color is perfect. And this lantern I did a flip on, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll be sure to link it for you. Here's another blanket from my wool blanket collection, and I've used it as a runner here. I love the plaid for fall. I hope you enjoyed my fall home tour. If you have questions about anything that I showed you today that I didn't talk about, go ahead and drop me a comment. Make sure to come back tomorrow because I'll be participating in one of my favorite collabs, the $5 Goodwill Challenge. Some of the items that I showed today was actually things that I purchased in the $5 Goodwill Challenge. So you'll get more details tomorrow. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll link that below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I'm so glad you were able to join me today for my haul foam tour. What?